see you can see it in his eyes. He's about to yawn. He like
Gizmo.
And they like roll back into his head.
Gizmo.
Orioles just fall asleep this time without knowing.
Gizmo. Hi.
Joey the other day, he just started wobbling and started sniffing the ground.